Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click on hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. Make sure turn off power saving button. After turn off power saving button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone, reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.